What's up, folks, and welcome back to Dice Reacts. Back at you with another banger. Yes, folks, I'm in Metal Arhead Studio. Yeah, you can see his face is much lighter. We have better on lighting on his face, so we're gonna have a good reaction today.
Yes, guys. What's up, guys? What's up? It's good to be back, guys. Yeah, I'm alongside Dyce Reacts. I'm gonna do some bangers for you today. Yeah.
Yes, guys, we are going to go on the classic train. I'm going to take him along on the classic train because he's a metalhead. You know, he doesn't know much 80s music. You know, so I've heard this track before. We are going to do a track called "Can You Stand the Rain" by New Edition. I'm going to enjoy this track. You know, it's like a Sunday track. Got a good vibe, got a good feel, got the love, got the original love in it. So I'm going to enjoy it. Okay. Have you heard this track before?
Yes, my window. I can't stand the rain.
Bro, you're going in another genre. This 80s song I'm talking about. It's a classic trap.
No.
I can't stand the rain. That's like that's like R&B type of vibe.
No. Well, I haven't heard it I haven't heard it before, and I don't even know the artist. Yeah. Wow. Oh my God.
I can't stand the rain.
Sorry, guys. Sorry.
And I know the track you're talking about.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Alright. Well, it's
So we ain't gonna waste no more time because I can't stand the rain. We are just gonna get right into it, folks. We're gonna get right into it. Oh yeah.
rough, shaking the camera.
Tell me, can you ever restore? 'Cause I need somebody who will stand by me through the good times and bad times. He will always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come. This we know for sure. Can you stand the rain?
Yes. So what do you think so far, man?
Well, that tells me you know the song. You actually dig this track.
Yeah, man. I'm an
Yeah.
80s junkie, man. You're supposed to know this now. 80s junkie.
Yeah.
Man. That's why I can't react to 80s by myself because I know mostly all
Yeah.
80s songs, guys. You know.
Hey, these guys had 80s. How many 80s and what else you had? Stack up like this.
I got 80s, I got techno, I got dance, I got the guys, I got classics, man.
Yeah, he has it. So there's the 180s you want to know that you don't know, you want to know, guys. Ask him. It's in his fault. Yes. Let's go back to the track.
So you feeling the vibe so far?
I feel the vibe so far. I just try to figure like what this song is about, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just sinking it in.
All right. What do you singing it in the rain?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Love unconditional. I'm not asking just of you.
back.
Yeah, let's take it back to a because I think it's here. All right, let's do it. Okay, we're gonna do it from here. So,
No pressure, no pressure.
I don't see a lot of. Yeah, let's stop it right there. You don't see. All right, from the time we have been doing reactions, from the time we have been doing reactions, you don't get a lot of black men giving that high pitch.
Guys, sorry about that. Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I want a little high pitch there. Go ahead.
Alright. You don't get a lot of us guys doing this high pitch.
What's wrong, man? Guys, hold on.
Yes. All right. What I was gonna say now. You don't get a lot of right, like us guys doing this this high pitch. Right. Most of the guys are getting this high pitch from the see more like yeah, what's his guy name? Henry K. Dimash, you know, it always from these Asians. You always get these high pitches, man.
What?
This is the first time I've heard, like, well, I don't know much music, so I
know you probably taken a back because I would disagree with what you're saying because when you go into the 80s genre, there are so many. Let me tell you something. There are so many, you know, like from our culture, so many black men that go high pitch. But like today's music with our folks, they are not in like the genres, like the ones that are popular are not in the genres where you have to really use vocal powers.
Right.
So like we are not discovering those artists currently. But if you go back in the 80s, in the 90s, oh my goodness, like if you go in the 90s in the R&B, man, it's unbelievable.
So you know what, guys? You know we're gonna be going back.
We are gonna be going back in time.
We'll be going back in time.
Yeah, man. I mean, like there's a song, I can't remember the name of the song, but maybe it's a long forgotten song. It's an R&B, and I made one of my friends, you know, hear this song, Stuart, and when he heard that, and you know Stuart is a vocalist, when he heard that, he couldn't believe. He wondered like, how did I discover him? And when you, that song is amazing, I'm telling you, and it's like it's the 90s R&B, you know.
All right.
So we are going to be checking a lot of things on this channel. So you guys, you know, so
stick around.
Just stick around. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to hear this again. I want to hear this.
I'm going to take it back a bit, folks. Stand the rain. Man, I can listen to this track all day, every day, without a doubt. This track is a 10 out of 10 in my books. I don't know about you guys, but it's a 10 out of 10 for me. What about you, Metalhead R? I'm in Metal R heads. Guys, I'm under the weather.
Sorry guys, sorry. Well, it's not my from what I've done so far, it's not my line, but in the time I'll give it 10, man. I'll give it 10, but it's not my line, not my feel. Yeah, I read these guys will give more. I don't know what was the scenario in this story, so I can't say anything there. Can't say anything.
So like, what about like the production aspect?
Production, everything was amazing. Yeah, the video quality, 80s, the video quality, man, it's even better than my quality.
Well, if it's better than your quality, so it's better than my quality. What are you talking about, man? you trying to diss me? Man, you smart, man. What's going on here, man?
No, I'm just.
Guys, I can't let this one slide. He's saying that the video quality is better than his. So what about me? It's my quality right now. We're on my channel, man.
Oh. Well, video, man, the video.
Guys, we're gonna make a quick exit. After that remark, we are gonna make a quick exit. We're gonna end this video as quick as possible. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with your friends
and
your family.
The family.
It'll certainly help me out here on this channel.
Yes.
Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what's on your mind. Dyce Reacts got your back. Feel free to leave some suggestions, engage with the audience, because that's what we're here for on this channel. We are here for one another, folks. Okay, so don't you ever forget that. I'm going to leave Metal our heads. I'm going to give him one more chance to make a good exit, because so far he ain't doing a good job. Doing a good job at all.
Sorry, guys.
Say something positive, man.
Oh, hey.
Uplifting.
Hey, guys. Well, you should just continue checking out myself and Dyce. Yeah. Yes, guys. Just continue checking out myself and Dyce Reacts, guys. We're gonna continue giving you content, and we're gonna try to give it the best. So, well, Dyce is leading me to a new direction, guys. Yeah, and it's going good. I like it, and I want to go down that road, guys. All right.
Yeah, but before we go down that road, since we gotta make our quality a little better, and what he said, because he said we are competing against 80s quality. So I'm wondering, man, this affected me very much, folks. You got my eyes. I got sadness in my eyes. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. Guys.
Oh my God.
We ain't gonna hold the guys any longer.
I'm gonna make my head.
This is gonna be. Guys, we ain't gonna hold the guys any longer. This is gonna be for our reaction. This is where we are gonna be making our exit. So until next time, guys, I can't do it fast enough. Until next time, peace out.
Guys, share the love.